Namaste, my name's Lindsey and I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in the United States, and I just completed my 100-hour meditation teacher training and yoganidra level 1, and I'm also a yoga teacher, so I joined the program in hopes to learn a deep understanding more about meditation for myself, and also so that I can share that with my students. I actually originally started a training here in India, in Rishikesh, with a different school, and it was not what I was seeking, and so I gladly found Yoga Essence, and they were so wonderful to invite me in halfway through the 200-hour training and bring me on board, and I literally can't explain how much gratitude I have for them. It's been an incredible few last weeks. So much emotion has gone into the course, and it's just been eye-opening, enlightening. It's been heartfelt. Teachers bring so much expression, and they deliver so much experience and love and compassion, really from their heart. It's very genuine. I appreciate the genuine and authenticity in the style of their teachings, and just their persona is you'll feel an authentic vibe, and I think that can be hard to find sometimes. The accommodation here was lovely. It was comfortable, it was clean, the food was nice, it was delivered always really clean, and it filled you up, and you're surrounded by a great team here, and you'll feel safe and happy, and I can't say anything else. It's a really great experience. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Namaste.